Once a beacon of American industry, Gary, Indiana stood as a city of strength and ambition. These buildings below, silent and decayed, were once full of life, shaping the American dream. Now, we float above like spectators to the past, witnessing a city frozen in time. Here lies the City Methodist Church, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture from 1926. From above, we see a shell, a roof open to the sky, walls crumbling beneath the weight of history. The church once welcomed hundreds. Now, it holds only the echoes of silent prayers, blending with the whispers of the wind. Once a grand theater, the palace was a symbol of entertainment and joy. Its marquee shone brightly over the city, promising an escape from the everyday. Now, from this high vantage point, we see the theater's decayed majesty, a place where memories linger, even as the building itself fades. Spalding Elementary, once filled with the laughter of children, is now silent. Named after a leader in civil rights, this school was a beacon of opportunity in Gary. Today, broken windows and rusted playgrounds remain, symbols of a past era. From above, we see nature reclaiming the space, a quiet reminder of dreams that once lived here. Flying over the streets of Gary, we see neighborhoods left behind. Each empty home is a reminder of families, friends, and a community that once thrived. The streets are quiet now, but from above, we feel their stories. The sidewalks and storefronts still hold echoes of laughter, conversation, and everyday life. In every detail, there's a story. The rust on the rooftops, the broken glass, the plants pushing through cement. From above, we can appreciate the beauty in this decay, the way time and nature work together to create a new kind of landscape. One where life returns to where it was once driven away. We leave behind a city in quiet resilience. Its buildings may crumble, its streets may empty, but from above, we see that Gary endures. As a memory, a lesson, and perhaps one day, a place for rebirth.